This is a really common question. What happens if Tesla is above 440 when the short call expires? Short answer, that's not a bad outcome. Let me explain. And I'll use a real Apple trade that I recently closed to show you exactly how this works. When you run a poor man's covered call, you have two legs, a long-dated deep in the money call and a short-dated call you sell for income. If the stock runs above your short call strike, that short call is going to lose money. That part is expected. But here's what most people miss. Your long call gains far more than the short call loses. Let me show you this Apple example. Apple ran past my short call strike. So yes, the short call went deep in the money and showed a loss. But at the same time, my long-dated Apple call exploded higher. When I closed both legs together, I still walked away with a net profit. Why? Because the long call has much higher delta, much more time, much more intrinsic value. The short call is capped. The long call isn't. Now here's the key mindset shift. In a poor man's covered call, you're not trying to save the short call. The short call is just there to generate monthly income, lower your cost basis, and take advantage of time decay. So if a stock rips higher, you don't panic. You either close both legs for a profit, or roll the short call up and out, or let the long call do the heavy lifting and exit cleanly. You're not trapped. This is why I'm very intentional about buying deep in the money long calls, using high quality stocks, and selling calls 30 days out instead of weeklies. I'm giving myself room to be wrong, room for the stock to move, and multiple ways to manage the trade. So if Tesla is above 440 at expiration, that means the stock did what stocks do. It went up. And if you structured the PMCC correctly, that's usually a profitable problem to have. If you want to see how I manage these trades in real time, when I roll, when I close, and how I size them, the link's in the description for my community. That's where I share the actual trades, not just theory.